Hey guys, today we're gonna try to microwave the ice without melting it. For this you're gonna need microwavable cups. Fill one up a half with water and other one fill it up with ice. So after you fill it up, let's put it in the microwave. And set up the timer for 1 minute. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so now that the minute is passed, we're gonna open it and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we have our ice here. And we have our water. So the ice, as you can see, not melted at all. There's no water in it. Nothing comes out at all. Nothing. And the water is really hot. So if you know how that happened, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.